Hello friends, welcome back to the online classroom. Today we are going to see a voltage regulator using IC LM723. So this is low voltage regulator. So it is useful to regulate the voltage at the lower level 2 to 7 volts. So this is the circuit diagram we are using. So here there are different uh, pinouts are there. Okay, so here VCC you are given, then you are connecting R1 and R2 resistors here. This is V minus, that is minus voltage you are given, and this is plus voltage you are given. So from here you are giving V in, and here you are connecting a capacitor. So this is inverting terminal, and this is non-inverting terminal, and this is reference voltage terminal, and this is the output voltage. From here you can get the output voltage, so you can get your regulated output. So the basic purpose of this LM723 IC is to get a regulated output. Regulated means what? Constant output throughout the instance. So for any time instance you don't want this output to be varied, okay, so or change, okay, so you should get the constant output for any time instance, so constant DC output. So this is basically used for DC. So this is given as a unregulated DC supply from here. So this is V reference, this is minus voltage is given here also, and from here you can get the output at this terminal. Okay, so for this practical also we don't have kit available, so we'll only consider in from the observation table. So this is the observation table. So from this observation table, here the RL is 12.12 kilo ohm, and so this RL is constant. So now I am varying my input voltage. So as I am varying the input voltage, you can see there is no or very slightly change in output voltage. So this is what the voltage regulator works. So this voltage regulators will give the constant voltage between the range 2 to 7 volts. So that is why it is called as a low voltage regulator. So you can see here whether I am changing the input voltage. So while varying the input voltage, I am getting a constant output voltage. So this is almost constant. So 4.08 to 4.02. So there is no much more difference in between the output voltage. So this is the your uh, constant output regulator. So you can see now we'll change our input to 11 volts. So we have to keep the constant input to the 11 volt. Now we'll change the load. So in earlier table we have kept constant the load, and then we are changing the input voltage. Now we will keep constant the input voltage, and then we will change the load. So first there is no load. So for no load we will have to measure current. So this is 52 milliampere current, 52 milliampere with no load. With a very low load we have the current of 55.5, and with medium load we have the current of 59.4, and with high load we have the current of 62.5. So you can see for all varying load there is almost a constant output voltage. So when there is no load the output voltage is 4.97, so it is very approximate to 5. And for other loads you can see the minimum voltage you are getting is 4.88. So even after when you change the load from no load to high load value, then also your output is getting constant. So this is the output voltage. So this is for load regulation, and earlier whatever we have seen this table, this is for your line regulation. So in the calculation parts you can see for the line regulation just delta V out by delta V in means what? You have to check delta V in by delta V out by delta V. So you can go to this table. So delta V in means what? So change in this, so first and second part, so change in this, or you can take, I will take this 7th and 8th model. So change in this voltage 10.03, so 10.60 minus 10.03 divided by change in this, so 4.07 minus 4.05. So this will be your line regulation. And second, the formula for load regulation. So for load regulation, so we have V output voltage without load, no load, minus output voltage with full load divided by output voltage with full load into 100. So when you get to the observation table, then you can see this is the 4.97 is the output voltage no load, so 4.88 output voltage full load, so this is also full load into 100. So the load regulation comes out to be 1.8%. So accordingly you have to write the results here. So I hope all understand the low voltage regulator using LM723 IC. So for this low voltage regulator, you can regulate the output voltage between the range 2 volts to 7 volts. So thank you for watching the video.